Coastal Hire presents your DIY tip of the week. The pain of a clogged drain. Here's a step-by-step guide using products in your home to help you get things flowing in no time. You will need a kettle of boiling water, coarse salt, baking soda, vinegar, a plunger, a bucket, and a wet-dry vacuum cleaner. First, use the wet and dry vacuum cleaner to remove any standing water. Then, pour a kettle of boiling water into the sink or drain. If the excess water does not clear, wait for the water to cool and again remove any standing water. Now, pour half a cup of coarse salt followed by the boiling water into the sink or drain. Still not clearing? Wait for the water to cool and again remove any standing water. This time, pour a cup of baking soda followed by a cup of vinegar into the sink or drain. If the sink or drain still does not clear, proceed with the plunger. When using a plunger, ensure the sink has enough water to cover the bell of the plunger. Place the plunger firmly over the drain and plunge vigorously a couple of times. When you hear the suction clear, remove the plunger and flush with warm water. If the water still does not clear, it means the P-trap, which is the curved pipe underneath the sink, will need to be cleared. To do this, place a bucket underneath the trap. Unfasten the P-trap from the drainpipe and remove anything stuck in the pipe. Use a wet and dry vacuum cleaner to try and suck the blockage out. Then replace the P-trap and run warm water to ensure drainage. One of these tips should get the job done in the end. Your DIY tip of the week was brought to you by Coastal Hire. For other great DIY tips, find us on social media. And for all your equipment hire needs, visit coastalhire.co.za or visit your nearest Coastal Hire store. Serving all your equipment hire needs nationwide. Go Coastal!